In this lesson, we will discuss that how to add custom guides in Canva. So, for example, you are creating, like web template or flyer, for example, anything, especially in flyers, this is very useful. So, custom guides, you can go to File, Settings, and Add Guides. So now you can see we have three options here: 12 columns, 3 columns, and 3 by 3 grid. Like this also we can create. So 12 columns, you can see, if you are familiar with Bootstrap, like in web templates. So this is 12 column grid system, so we can easily manage the content, professionally aligned in these grids. So in these guides, so you can see like 12 columns, and if we click on custom, so we can add like 12 columns. Now in this there were option 3 columns and 12 columns. So custom, if you want to add 6 columns, so you can add 6 columns. If you want to add 9 columns, you can add. Even if you want to add 16 columns, so like this you can divide 12 columns. And you can see like margin we can set in between columns, and here you can see rows we can also add. See, rows also we can add, and margins also like 550, you can see like this. You can see like this. We will add like 0 margin. And here also like 50 margin, so too much margin, see, so 0 margin. So simply like this we can add row. Usually people don't use this, like, but in some cases we need to use it, so we can add. So add guides from here. Now guides has been added, so you can see, for example, if we add a rectangle here. So now rectangle is here. This is just an example. So like this is in 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. We can zoom it like this. So 4 columns, this is 4 column content. Then we can press and hold Alt key, and we can create a duplicate, and then again duplicate. So you can see entire page, you can see, has been covered by these three sections. This entire page, like this area of this page. So as this we can divide like paragraphs and background shapes and a lot of things, professionally we can align, as you can see here, like this 2 sections. So 6 by 6 column, for example, So these custom guides are very useful, and we can use them. See, like we add, you can see circle, see, circle has been added, so we can move it here, like you can see. In how many columns we need it, we can set. And like here you can see I just left the first column 1, 2, 3, and in 4 columns like this. So we can also make another. So we will also leave like first column from here as well. So you can see now. So this is the easy method we can use. Now you can see same space here from the left side and same space from here from the right side. So these guides, custom guides, are very essential for the professional alignment. So this is the method that I explained to add custom guides in Canva. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Once again, we will continue these tips and tricks of Canva. Thank you so much once again.